In this video I want to talk to you about the help function in the Python editor. So in the Python editor I've done an import for modo because I'm going to use help on modo module later. And the first line you see here is help and with round brackets. So when I run this I get a text in the output window and welcome to Python 2.7 and so on. If this is your first time using Python, and you can use it, an interesting part of it is that you can get a list of available modules, keywords or topics. So how do you get that? Well, I'm going to comment this line out by pressing Ctrl/ on the numpad and uncomment this one by doing the same. And help modules, when you type this and execute your code, then you get help on all the modules, or better said, a list of all the modules that you have available. So you can go over it like LXU, LXServe. So if I, for instance, did a help on LXU, and I'm going to comment the line above, clear the window, now run the code. So name LXU, file, description, package contents, attributes, command, object, select. I'm going to comment this one out and clear my window again. The next one, help keywords, run the code. Now we get a list of the Python keywords and to yield, so you can get info on Python itself. I'm going to comment this out over here now and uncomment this one, help topics, clear my window, enter, and now you have a list of available topics. So if you want further information about those topics, so for instance you want to know about Python exceptions, then you type help and then between quotes and in capital letters exceptions, like that. I'm going to comment the line before out, clear the window, run the code, and now you have help on exceptions. So exceptions are a means of breaking out of the normal flow of control of a code block in order to handle and so on and so on. I'm going to comment this one out and clear my window. The same over here. If you want help on assignments in Python, run the code and then you get a whole part on assignment statements. An assignment statement evaluates the expression list and so on, everything about Python. This is not modo specific, this is Python specific. So there are examples of doing assignments and so on. I want to comment this out. So the same with expressions. So if I uncomment this, clear my window and run the code, now I have information about expressions. So the following table summarizes the operator precedences in Python. An overview of operator precedences with a lot of information about expressions. I'm going to comment that one out and clear my window. And I have done an import of modo, the modo module. Now I can also uncomment this one, and for instance if I want information about modo.mesh class, so help, open the parenthesis, modo.mesh, close the parenthesis, run the code, and now I have a lot of information about the class mesh. That's what should be in the wiki on Doxology's website about the SDK. So you have all the methods, the functions, so the methods inherited from item, functions, and so on and so on. Just wanted to show you this, that you can get help on Python itself through the help command and help on modo. So these last two will do exactly the same. So if I comment out both of them, clear my window and run the code now, and I get an error here, because in order to get my help like this with modo question mark, I have to press the tab key. So I'm going to clear this window, comment this out again, now run my code. So now I have, with the help statement on modo, information about the modo module. And when I uncomment this now and type in modo question mark and now press and release the tab key, now I have exactly the same information like with help modo, and then you don't need to use the tab key. So that is a way to get help on syntax, about Python syntax in general, and about all things that you need to help you program. And you can also get help on modo modules. So I'm going to comment that out again. And for instance, modo dot group, and uncomment that line, clear my window up here, run the code, and now I have information about the modo the model class group and so on. So this is another way to help you get up to speed with using the Python editor. Hope you found it useful. Bye.